Alright, so we're here at our parachute property and we're going to be installing cabinets today. The cabinets were supplied by Home Depot. They're Cambridge. They have a thermal foil finish on them, which is really nice and durable for cleaning purposes. It's basically like a plastic coating, so really great for a kitchen or a laundry room cabinet, something that's really easy and durable to clean. And they're also a frameless design, so because of that the cabinet doors come nicely, everything looks really tight together. So the design is a little bit different than a normal face framing design, just in the way that we do the install. But we're going to be getting that done here today, so hope you enjoy the time lapse. Okay, we're all done. 12 hours later in 22 boxes. We got all of our cabinets installed, level, ready for our countertop measure come Monday morning, and our flooring getting installed tomorrow. Come show you the cabinets now that they're all installed. Like I mentioned earlier, they're a white shaker style cabinet. And we opted for a soft close feature on all of them, so nice and quiet, so even if you're angry, sorry, it's not going to work to slam all the doors. And it also works with the drawers too. You come over this way, in our island area here, we've got some nice big drawers you can use for appliances, or you can also use for things. I'm going to have to get some cabinet, I'm going to have to get some handles on these things. But you can see they're nice and soft close there too. So like I said, 22 boxes, lots of cabinet space in this kitchen. And we'll be getting our countertop measure for granite in these areas around the perimeter. And then we have a nice walnut butcher block for the center island that we'll be putting on there as well. So nice natural wood. And kind of go along with a little bit of stained wood theme that we kind of have going on in this house in other areas. And tomorrow we've got our Ergo Lapse Plus going in here with an attached backing. So stay tuned. I'll show you next time.